Ice Bat says, "What are you doing?" Oh, hey, Ice Bat, what are you doing? Wondering what Ice Bat has there. Oh, this? That is called a fidget spinner. Ice Bat wonders, what is fidget spinner? A fidget spinner is for people with ADHD. Official. Oh, here you go, buddy. Just spin it. Ice Bat says this is cool. I know, right? Totally. Surprise! This isn't about fidget spinners. Potatoes. Ha ha. You guys totally fell for it. Yep. You totally fell for it. No, but seriously though, don't click off of this video because we need to tell you something exciting. Exciting. Basically, we're making a skit show about ugly dolls and puppets. So stay tuned. There's going to be no more episodes or shorts, just skits. Because we didn't want to see the show go. And you'll get to see me, potatoes. So see you guys. Bye. And now to your program of gameplay videos. Oh. I liked his channel when it started doing ugly doll videos. Me too, but you know.